Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need admin access to remove a PIN, so confirm that now. Open Start, choose Settings, then Accounts and Sign-in options. This is where Windows stores PIN controls. Once there, locate the Windows Hello PIN section. Don't skip verifying you can sign in with your password or another method. If you can't sign in otherwise, set or reset a local password first. This step prevents lockout and lets you safely remove the PIN without losing access to your account. You'll click Windows Hello PIN and press Remove. Windows will prompt you for confirmation to protect the account. When prompted, type your account password to authenticate. This proves you're authorized to change sign-in options. If your account is a Microsoft account, keep an internet connection active so Windows can verify identity online. Once confirmed, the PIN is cleared from the device. Make sure you understand removing the PIN means you'll use your password or another method going forward. After removal, sign out and sign back in to confirm the PIN no longer appears. That validates the change. If remove is grayed out or forced by policy, open GPedit. MSC or contact your system administrator because domain or group policy can restrict PIN removal. If you lose access, use Safe Mode or Microsoft Account Recovery to regain entry. If needed, boot into Recovery options and reset a local password. This resolves most lockout scenarios while
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.